Cold drink season has arrived. Whether you're a cold brew devotee, planning a party, or cooling yourself off from watching Magic Mike's Last Dance for the 5th time, an ice maker can be a welcome addition to your household. And for those who depend on ice cube trays or bagged ice to keep the freezer stocked, a dedicated ice maker can be a game changer. To help you wade through all the choices, we put 5 ice makers to the test. There are numerous options for a cheap ice maker, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable ice maker from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Luma Comfort Clear Ice Cube Maker at Amazon. The Luma Comfort Clear Ice Cube Maker was the hardest worker of the bunch according to our testers. It produced 24 ice cubes per batch, which added up to more than 1 pound, 4 ounces of ice. If you're looking for volume, look no further than our overall winner. Given that this machine has a high water capacity and a high output over 1 hour, we estimate a greater volume over a longer period as compared to the other models we tested. The ice came out in cube shape, rather than the bullet shapes we saw with many of the machines. The Luma was also practically silent in its ice production, which is a definite perk. While the Luma made the most ice in an hour of all the machines we tested, producing more cubes per batch than the other models, it took a long time to do so. It's a fairly big and bulky machine, too, so count on it taking up space on your countertop. Overall, there's a lot of room for error with ice makers, but the Luma Comfort Clear Ice Cube Maker had many more pros than cons. With a moderate price point to add to its value, we recommend this model over all the others in our people-tested process. Number 2. Silonn Countertop Ice Maker at Amazon. As compared to our overall winner, our best budget pick, the Silonn, produced a more moderate amount of ice. In just under 8 minutes, it made 8 cubes, 12.25 ounces, so it's less productive. For the size of the machine, it made an adequate amount of ice after 1 hour, noted our tester. This model was a lot noisier than the Luma. The ice was also bullet-shaped and inconsistently sized. But the Silonn beat many of its competitors in the portability rating department, scoring a 5/5. Testers noted that it's very sleek and nice looking and that they would be 100% okay with keeping it on the countertop. The Silonn had the lowest price point of all 15 ice makers we tested, so if you're curious about a portable ice maker but don't want to make a more sizable investment, this is a good bet. Number 3. Igloo Premium Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker at Amazon. Our tester was most impressed by the Igloo's quick drop time for being a small machine, and by its handle, making this model the most easily portable. The ice cubes, which are more bullet than cube-shaped, appear in the back of the machine and automatically move to the front for maximum scoopage. And it's a nice touch to be able to choose between small and large ice size. The machine's fan is quite loud, but not annoying, while the ice production itself is very quiet. It made a decent amount of ice in an hour, noted our tester, recommending this machine for its handle, portability, and performance. Given the lower water capacity, however, this is likely not your best choice for high volume settings, like a party with frequent refills. Number 4. Costway 2-in-1 Ice Maker Water Dispenser at Amazon. Here's a portable ice maker that you'll want to live on our countertop, since it dispenses both water and ice. The compact and narrow shape means it won't encroach on your other appliances' real estate, either. For those who drink a lot of water daily, the water capacity could be an issue. It only holds 8 cups at a time. While other noisy machines that we tested were loud but not annoying, this one made a jarring sound. Per our testers, the plastic in the machine sounded like it was cracking. Still, our testers noted, the 2-in-1 functionality makes this purchase more worthwhile. Plus, the price for this dual-duty ice maker isn't too bad, either. Number 5. R.W.FLAME Ice Makers Countertop. The compact machine won't take up too much counter space at only 14 inches by 9.5 inches by 13 inches, so while you have to sacrifice a bit of room, the reward is worth the small storage space. The noise level is also very low, keeping the machine from becoming a nuisance. Really, there's no reason not to have fresh ice anytime. It's also stacked with more unique features. In particular, there is a self-cleaning mode built in. Run it every so often to make sure the ice you're making is pure and clean as can be. The simple control panel makes it a breeze to choose your ice setting or see when the water level is low or the ice basket is full, too. Amazon reviewers are jumping on board the ice maker train and loving this budget-friendly device. One attested it makes fast ice in minutes and added, "If you have to have ice like I do, get this." Another said it's what dreams are made of. "This was wonderful during a recent heat wave, I didn't have to chase down ice," remarked another happy shopper. Meanwhile, another user praised that it fits nicely on my kitchen counter or home bar, and added that it knocks out ice cubes faster than my GE refrigerator. Another kept it short and sweet, saying, "It's changed my life in a great way." Cool down your summer and pick up your own R.W.FLAME ice maker now. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.